Well, g'day everybody and welcome back to Captain of Industry. As you can see right here, we have our conveyors running there and keeping the maintenance shed up and running, which is absolutely awesome. We're producing construction parts here, which are going into there and into there, which is absolutely brilliant. Now, what we need to do basically is what we want to do is we want to basically reduce as many vehicles as we possibly can so that we can save on fuel and stuff. We've got all of our fuel tanks filling up over here and our waste there, which is absolutely awesome. I think our tree storage is basically full at the moment, so we're kind of a little bit stuffed there. We've still got these working away, which is really, really good. How are we going on there? Let's see. Iron. We are emptying the iron, aren't we, out of those, and we're storing the iron in there. So let's see. So I've got truck export off on that at the moment, which is really, really cool. So what we need to do now is let's have a look. These guys need copper plates. These guys need iron plates. So what we're going to do there is let these trucks deliver all of the iron plates to here. And once these are empty, which shouldn't take too much longer, then we're going to stick some conveyors in here and get some conveyors into that building there. This building here also requires iron plates as well as mechanical parts. Let's have a look. And they're doing all right. So trucks are delivering to there. So we may run a conveyor that drops some iron plates into there and some iron plates into there as well. And start sort of moving that around, start getting the area as we need it. Now this one here needs electronics and it needs construction parts. So at the moment we've got, let's see, we've got construction parts being made there. So what we might do is move that over next door to this, and we'll send some construction parts across to here as well, which would probably be a good idea. Now we're going to have to start keeping these conveyors up, like raised, so that we can get our trucks underneath as well. So that's going to be something to consider. What is that sitting down there? That's a piece of conveyor right there. Huh. There we go. Let's just get rid of that. All right, perfect. Okay, so we've got crop rotation and stuff happening now as well. Now we've got our potatoes are going in here. So what we can do now is we can add, what will we add? Naturally replenish, green manure. What can we do? Nothing at the moment in there. So it's doing potatoes at the moment. We may be able to leave it empty and do a natural replenish on it. I don't know, but it's got potatoes in there at the moment. We're probably going to have to look at, we definitely have enough food. We definitely have enough food at the moment, but we do want to start getting some of the other foods and stuff as well. So whether we throw another farm in, I don't know at this point in time because of the amount of food supply that we actually have. So that's probably going to take up probably too many resources, I think, at this particular point in time. Now, the other thing that we want to do is we want to repair the shipyard. And I think we're going to do that now. So that's going to require 75 of those mechanical parts, which is going to keep this stuff going. How are they going there? That's nearly empty. It's only got 7 more. All right, perfect. That's good. That will work really, really well. Our iron ore is going really well out there. Our coal is going really well there. And what we're going to need to look at now is we're going to need to look at getting ourselves some limestone, which I believe from memory is here, which it is. So there's a whole pile of limestone here that we are going to have to get. And we're doing our copper out there, which is fantastic as well. So we're going to need limestone for making our cements and stuff like that. So Let's just close that off. So we're going to get out there at some point, but I want to get this. I want to get this shipyard repaired. So it is repairing now, and then once we get that repaired, then we can base it. Look at that. Look at that. It is nearly done. There it is. Okay, so now we can do upgrades and stuff to our ship, don't we? Yeah, ship bridge, armor, fuel tanks, guns rear armor. All right, beautiful. That's really, really cool. Can we check our ship? Okay, so our ship needs fuel. We need to repair our ship. So we're going to throw that on. That's going to take 124 iron plates, which is really, really cool. So we are going to have to start production again very, very shortly. That is now empty. So what we're going to do is we're going to cancel that. No. Don't do that. Don't do that. Empty it. Because I want to change that to truck export off, truck import on. We're going to have to get all of the... I think there's metal plates on there. So we may actually have to... let all of those metal plates run through there for start. Actually, no. But what we could do is we could delete that one, and we could have them all come into there for now. And this one here is going to have. Can we delete that? Remove currently assigned product. Once that's empty, okay. So they're going to remove that, and then we should be able to reassign that to take our raw copper, which is what we want to do. There we go. Lovely. So if that just takes impure copper right there. Beautiful. Okay, so that's good. That there, we're going to take impure copper as well. And we'll turn truck import off on that. This one here is making molten copper. So we can actually unpause that now as well, and that can start producing our copper. This here is producing that, copper. And, yep, so we can unpause that. Beautiful. And this one here, we can take that off and unpause that as well. All right, perfect. Perfect. This here is going to be making crushed slag. Now, does that have an output? It doesn't have. Does it have an output? Yeah, it's got an output on this side. So our crushed slag is going to want to go to a cement building. So if we have a look at where are we? Got to find the right one, Simi. A crusher to a rotary kiln. No, to a blast furnace. It takes iron, scrap, and coal, and creates molten iron. We don't want that. We don't want the metal caster. What is making our? So that's making our slag. What did we need our slag for? I cannot remember. Got our diesel generator there. We've got that stuff there. Okay. Anyway, all right. So what do we got here? We've got copper stored there at the moment. So we're going to need to get rid of that copper. We're going. Oh, here comes a thunderstorm. We're going to need to work out exactly where we need copper because we're going to probably store that. Let's see. No, not there. We need copper there, and we need rubber as well. So we're going to need to start producing rubber. So how are we going to produce rubber? Let's have a look. All right, we're going to need coal and diesel to produce rubber from here. So we're going to need a rubber maker. That's going to have to be out near our coal. Well, we don't necessarily. We could actually put that. We could actually do the rubber maker in here, couldn't we? Somewhere, I think. So I think we're going to throw that up. So we need input there. That's output. That is input. So if we rotate that around to there, like so, I might actually have diesel coming straight out of there. So if we throw that in there, diesel's coming in on that side, isn't it? And then we need coal coming in on that side. I might actually cancel that. Let's just cancel that and we'll throw it in again. And we'll put it, I think we'll put it here. I think we might put it maybe about there, I think. And the reason why I'm putting it there is so that we can throw in a pipe from here, and we can go up to here and then down into there like that. All right, beautiful. Now that does waste as well, so we're going to need to probably run that from here up to here. Like so, and then into there, like that. Okay, that's going to be spot on, and that's going to run some waste into there. Our trucks will be able to get through there. Now, we also want to run a... do we want to run a copper, a coal storage, or do we want to throw another coal storage over here? That might be a little bit of a better idea. So if we do a loose storage here, and we rotate that, and we throw it there. How far? Where are we? Right there. If we throw that there, like so, and then we can run ourselves another conveyor, which is going to be this one is going to take coal, I'm pretty sure, because the flat conveyor will only take parts. And we're going to run this to here. Let's have a look. We go up there and we go high across to here. Across to here and then down into there. Like so. All right, that'll be perfect. Now, these trucks can start filling this up. If we select the product that we are putting in there, which is coal, then those guys can actually keep filling that up as well. Once that conveyor belt's in, then that will run through to there. We've got it doesn't output. It only outputs wastewater when we're doing coal. So we're going to have to do something with our wastewater at some point as well. Let's have a look there. Let's have a look there. How's our ship going? Our ship is slowly getting repaired. So we're going to start running out of these any time soon. Now we can put truck export is on that, and truck export on that for now as well. That should they should start running stuff over to there. Now we're going to also need to get ourselves a pipe from this area over here to. Now I wonder, do we run some a pipe network out to these areas so that our harvesters can actually fill up immediately? That might be a really good idea. Lots to get you. Lots to get. Absolutely heaps to get your head around though. But that sorts that out. So our waste is going in there. Our fuel is coming from there, our diesel. And because we're producing enough of that at the moment. And our coal is starting to fill up there. So that will come immediately start rolling. There it goes. Perfect. Okay, so that's going to roll into there. Fuel is going to roll into there. We are going to create that. Thank you very much. And fuel's coming in, and the coal is on its way. Beautiful. Love it. Now, what can we do here? Can we add another? If we do naturally replenish, and then we go back to... See, we don't have any green manure at the moment. And then we go back to there, perhaps, and then naturally replenish again, then that should be okay. Now, The other thing that we need to look at is what we've got happening on our research at the moment. We do need to research a fuel station. We're researching settlement water at the moment, and we can do irrigated farms, but we want to do vegetable farming is coming next. Then we'll do that, I think. And then we will probably look at what does vehicle management do? Plus 20 vehicle cap. Well, I kind of want to try and stay away from doing too much of that. Captain's office gives us a health boost, plenty of food, allows us to evict, so we can probably add that to the queue. Research Lab 2 provides us with lab equipment. Provides access to more advanced technologies. Important, this lab has to be provided with lab equipment on a continuous basis in order to work. So we kind of haven't got to that point yet. So we probably want to go efficient concrete, because we are about to start concrete production. Smart conveyor routing, flat sorter and U-shaped sorter. So we'll add that to the queue as well. And yeah, I'm not sure about, we need to add that to the queue as well. Edicts, some really useful edicts that you can apply in your office. Fuel saver, maintenance reducer, water saver, or farming booster. So we'll definitely add that to the queue. That should keep that happening really, really quickly. Everything looks like it is going into here, and this is producing rubber, which is really, really good. So what we're going to need to do is, at the moment, I think we are going to need to... Can you get out of the way? We're going to need to create some rubber storage. And what I might do... there we go. He's out of the way now. Let's go unit storage. Rotate that, and we will go rubber into there. Like so. And we'll throw another one right there as well. And that is going to be a rubber. There we go. And that one there is going to be rubber as well. Perfect. I'm happy with that. We may quick deliver that one. There we go. That's pretty cool, because we have the Unity points to do that at the moment. All right, lovely. We are starting to produce copper. Copper is starting to go into here now. We are full on iron at the moment. This is producing slag. Do we have any slag storage? I don't know whether we do. I think we need that for storing slag. Yeah, we do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw that in there. And I'm going to throw another one in there. And then what we're going to do with that is we're going to set those to slag. Crushed slag. Yep. And that one to crushed slag as well. Nice thunderstorm happening there. We will probably run, I think, a ground conveyor on here. Let's see what takes crushed slag. That takes crushed slag. All right, so let's run that. Can we go up to? Yep. No, it might be a little bit. Sorry, guys, I've got a little bit of croak there. It might be a little bit hard to do that. So we're just going to throw those in like that. And then that slag crusher can continue working. And we can probably fire, although this one's going to be, yeah, you can see the slag coming in here. So this is going to fire up in a sec, and that is going to start filling with slag. Beautiful. All right. We also need to do our concrete production stuff out here as well. So for our concrete production, we are looking at... there's our concrete mixer, which is going to take slag and cement. So we need to create cement. The rotary kiln is going to create cement, but we need limestone. So what we might do, that's going to need limestone, and it's also going to need... what does it need? Needs coal. Coal and limestone. Well, coal's coming out of there, so our best bet is most likely to throw this in here like this, so that we can go from our limestone. We can also go from our coal, but I don't want to get it... actually, we could bring coal through from there, couldn't we? So if we run that there, if we place that there, that's actually going to be really good, because what we can do is we can run some coal off of here, which will be perfect. So if we get that and we hook onto there, cannot join to a ramp, and we throw that in there, that will give us our coal. Next thing that we need to do is do limestone. So once we get our limestone happening there, we also need to bring water through. Now, water's one of those things, isn't it? Water's one of those things that probably need to be on high, be up high, basically like that, so that trucks and everything can get past. How do you run your water system, though? You know, at this particular point in time, we need water to... Well, we actually don't need water to there, do we? Hang on a sec, let's have a look. Yeah, we don't actually need water to that, so that's okay. But what we do need to do is we do need to throw a smokestack in here as well. So we're going to throw that on there like that. Perfect. Then we're going to have a cement output. The cement output is going to go to a concrete mixer. Now the concrete mixer is going to take water, slag, and cement. So the best place to do that is probably here somewhere, I think. Like so. Now with that, we're going to need to run a conveyor out. I think I just accidentally from here we're going to need to run a conveyor out this way, and that's got to go in there. So if we go up 2, well, that was badly thought out, wasn't it? It should go to there, all right, and then it should drop into there. Like that. That should be okay for that. I needed to leave those other areas there as well. The other thing is slag. So slag is going to have to run into there. Now to do that, then I think we're going to have to go up again, just for the sake of trucks coming through, and then we will run. Oh no. There, actually no, we probably went too high there. I think we only need to go a height of 2 for the trucks, so to there and then into there like that. Lovely. We probably going to be starting to they're probably going to start taking this stuff very, very soon, these metal plates, I reckon, although production here has slowed down. Should we be considering full output? Should we be considering the possibility of throwing another maintenance building in here as well? And should I have done that? I'm not sure whether I should have done that, actually. I think I might, I reckon I might change this around. I reckon I might change this around and make it a little bit better. Get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that. The reason being is I think that these really need to get rid of that as well. Yeah. I think these need to we need to have one conveyor running through to, let's see, if we take that, that's the correct one. So we need electronics to go into there. Yeah, okay, cool. All right, perfect. I think it was just sort of, yeah. Can we go up on that? Like that. Not so that the trucks can get through, but purely so we can get... yeah, and we'll do the same here. Let's go up to here. Keep it up there and then drop into there. All right, lovely. And then we can do another mechanical warehouse. We can do another maintenance workshop right here, and we'll have inputs for that as well when that happens, which should be pretty good. Now we're going to need to get fuel over here as well, which is going to maybe we can keep that like that. Yep, that should be all right, because we are going to need fuel for our ship. How's our ship going at the moment? Still not going. All right. Okay, so that works out. So that works out our cement. So this will be making our cement. That's going to take slag and water, and it can also take cement. It can also take gravel and water. So the other thing that we're going to have to do here is we're going to have to get some water to it. Now, I've got to figure out the best way to utilize water. Who needs water over here? He needs water, but we are going to have to take water over to the farms at some point as well as taking water over to the city, but we can take water from there for the city. So how do we do this in the best possible way? I think we go through like this. Up to there. Straight across here. Yep. It's going to be a long trip. Across to here. And then down. No, do we need to go another one? I think we need to go another 2, don't we? And then through here. And we will drop down to there. Like that. Okay. Ah, bugger. We've got to do that again. Okay, so we'll go to here. We'll go up 2. Like so. Go across here. Like that. We'll go to here. Like so. Then we'll go along to there. And we'll connect straight into that. All right, lovely. That's a little bit better. I don't know why the first one didn't work out. So that's going to bring water across to there. That is a long pipe run to do. That is a very long pipe run to do. We're also going to need to figure out exactly how we are going to feed this directly to this. So we're probably going to have to run a main pipeline through here somewhere. Don't know where is the best place to do that. I do not know where the best place to do that is. So this here is going to create concrete slabs. And we're going to need some unit storage for concrete slabs. There's one, and there is two. Right, lovely. And we will do concrete slab, and we will do concrete slab there. All right, so that sorts that out. That is perfect. Do we need to do... Should we be doing some cement storage somewhere? I think we should. And I think the best place to do that is probably... Oh, come on. Is probably right here somewhere. So we can go straight out and straight into that. And we can put two of these warehouses into here. And they can be purely for cement. Like so. So we'll have some excess cement in there, and we will have all of our concrete blocks in there, and some of the cement will be going down to there as well. So what we need to, the last thing that we need to do for this episode is grab that conveyor. I can't until that's... Oh, I can do that. All right, perfect. Lovely. All right, so that can go there as well. So that will come, cement will go into here and store, and cement will go over there on demand as well. We've got, we've got our stuff going in there. So that should be pretty good. That should be pretty good for this episode. What have we got? Have we got, this stuff is still full. I think everything is at a bottleneck. We need to get these finished off as well. So there's a lot of construction there for all the vehicles to do. I don't think anything else has gone through to our ship yet. Nope, there's only 50 in there at the moment. So we might, we can't prioritize that either. All right, let's see. Repairs were requested automatically whenever the ship is damaged. Yes, let's do that. It is full of fuel now, which is perfect. So we don't need to worry about that. Here is has plenty of fuel in there as well. So I think everything is going really, really well. We're probably going to need to do... There we go. That's another place that fuel needs to go. So we're probably going to need to do another generator as well, I think. Yeah, we're probably going to need to do another generator as well. But there you go, guys. I'm going to leave this episode here. I hope that you have enjoyed it. I hope you're enjoying this series as much as I am enjoying playing this series. This ramp is getting built, which is really, really good. I think next episode we may put in another farm. We may throw another farm in here as well. Yeah, because our city's going to expand out this way, isn't it? So it's going to expand out through there. So we could probably put another farm in there somewhere like that. Obviously with a little bit of storage, like flipping that over so that we can get some storage out there, which is really, really cool. What's happening here? Oh, no, it's all right. There we go. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit like and sub to the channel if you haven't. That would be awesome and greatly appreciated. I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye.